Hey guys, Rustin here. Gonna kick off the holidays, give you my best Dr. Gross impression here with a little musical tribute to 12 Days of Christmas brought to you by Park Hill School District. Wanted to let you know this is not endorsed by anyone in the district level, just trying to have some fun here. 12 Days of Christmas, I'm gonna cut out the first 11 days and just bring you the 12th. If anybody's seen my previous video, like 9 years ago, was on iJot, which no longer exists. It's defunct. But look it up. I think Christy DeRose can share that out. But here we go. Without further ado, here's my tribute. On the 12th day of Christmas, my district gave to me 12 mass emails, 11 days of break, 10-minute lunches, 9 intercom disruptions, 8 bells during third block, 7 front office principals, 6 new students, 5 parent phone calls, 4 knee observations, 3 fire drills, 2 personal days, and an essential question posted for all to see. Merry Christmas, everybody. Day and a half till break. Enjoy. Good luck.